Hi guys, I'm Shadeesha Kavindi. I am a student of Scholarship Selection Program conducted by Java Institute for Advanced Technology. In this program, we have to design a 2D game. So, I created a 2D game and I decided to show it to you also. This is my 2D game. I named it as the Dino Runner because I selected a dinosaur as my game character. Now you can see the start button here. By click on this button, we can enter to the game. Okay, now you can see the game interface. This is my game character, a dinosaur. Now let's see how this game works. This is a running game and we can start our game with run by pressing the enter key. Now I press the enter key, then you can see the game start of the game. And also we can start our game with the jump by pressing space key. Now I press the space key. As you see, there are some flames are taken as obstacle in the game. Also, dino should not attack with the flame. If anyway it attacked with the fire flame, it get die and you also lost the game. Now, let me play a little to show you that to overcome the flame and attack to the flame. First, let's see the way of overcome the flames. Now let's see the attack to the flame. When dino attack to the flame, you can see the another interface with game over command and game score. This is the game over command. This is my score 780. Then you can see this try again button. By click this try again button, we can enter to the game again. Now let's see the codes that I used to create my game. These are the codes that I used to create my game. There are 4 files in this. You can see the 4 files in this place. HTML, CSS and JavaScript are helped me to design my 2D game. In here I used 4 files with including 2 HTML file and 1 CSS file and 1 JavaScript file. One HTML file is start.html and another one is index.html. First, let's see the file of start.html. In this I use the HTML version 5. So in here you can see the doc type HTML. First, I add a title to my game as Dino Runner. Then I add an icon to my game. Link an icon to my game, and also I link the CSS file to this start.html file. At last, we link the script.js file to start.html file. The attributes of start page are also include in this HTML file. Now let's see the index.html file. It is very similar to the start.html file. In here also use the HTML version 5 and title also Dino Runner. Then link an icon and also link the style.css file to the index.html file. At last I link the JavaScript file to the index.html file. This is the body part of the index.html file. This now you can see the style.css file. This CSS file is used to modify the attributes of my game. I give many attributes to the game: background, character, etc. These are the attributes given for the background. This part is the attributes given for the dino, and this is for the flame, and this is for the scoreboard, and at last this is the these attributes are given for the end. Now let's see the JavaScript file. At first, in the JavaScript file we can see the key event function. Then I add my mp3 files attached to this place, and next we can, and the main function is run function. This is the run function part. This is the jump function, and the important one is jump function. This part is for the jump function, and at last this is the function of date function, part of the date function. In here I create functions for every actions of the dinosaur. This JavaScript file is helped me to animation part of my game. At last you can see the RE function. This is a reload function. When we lost the game and come to the end of the game, we can play again because of this reload function. At last, these are my codes that I used to that I used to create my 2D game. At last, again I'll show my game. Press enter key. Overcome the obstacle. Attack with the fire flame, and dinosaur get die. Then end page is come. Game over. My score is 905. Again, try again button. This is my first 2D game. So thanks for everyone for watching my video, and have a nice day and thanks again. Thank you.